Hey, welcome to Delano Mountain Custom Models again. These are the new Bowser Executive Line Redding C-630s, and I've got to say that they've done an excellent job on these units. These are obviously the units with the Tsunami sound in, and I have 5310 and 5308 consisted together. But if you visit my website, just Google Delano Mountain Custom Models, and under the items for sale for the Iron Horse Hobby Shop, these two units will be there. You could see all the pictures, and this video will also be on that page as well. But they did a real fantastic job in doing all the detailing, and of course I did the weathering. So without further ado, why don't we take a look at these guys in action. Lighting. I have them old style consisted, that's why the headlight on the rear unit isn't going on. I'm just going to switch it over. There we go. There we go. So there you have it. Like I said, go to the photo page. You can see they have all the bells and whistles on there. They have the wipers added. They have the correct rain gutter on the roof, the Sinclair antenna, all the roof detail. The correct high-ad trucks, beeline, correct plow, and I have prototype photos on my website as well, and it looks like they got these pretty accurate. So okay, that's it. Remember, Delano Mountain Custom Models, and that'll get you right to my prototype page, and then look under the items under Iron Horse Hobby Shop, and I should be getting a couple more of these in to do for myself. I think I'm going to do a pair of these that are X-Redding Conrail early era that are all repatched over. All right, see you guys later. Bye.